you for registering with this year's MACH Exhibition, the UK's national event for inspiring, innovating and connecting manufacturing. This video gives you more information about the exhibition and important rules for staying safe during your visit, so please watch carefully. MACH is owned and organised by the Manufacturing Technologies Association, the UK trade association who promote and support new and existing manufacturing technology businesses. MTA members design, create and supply advanced manufacturing equipment and intellectual property that enables the creation of the products we rely on in our day-to-day lives. Part of the MTA's mission is to encourage young people into the industry by providing support for workplace training and outreach educational activities, and providing opportunities for students to learn more about careers in engineering. MACH takes place every 2 years. Under one roof, you will see all the latest technological developments for milling, turning, additive manufacturing, cutting, metallurgy, machining, robotics, and much more. We are excited to be welcoming students aged 11 and older to this year's MACH Exhibition. Although please note that those aged 16 and under are not permitted to walk around the exhibition unaccompanied. You must remain with your official tour guide, teacher, parent or guardian while at MACH. The show is a very busy environment and we have a no running policy. So please make sure to always walk safely during the exhibition to avoid hurting yourself and other visitors. There will be a lot of live working machinery at the show, which requires extensive training to ensure that it can be operated safely. Therefore, please do not touch any of the machinery without permission of the exhibitor. You will notice as you enter stands at MACH that there may be safety lines on the floor of the exhibitor's area. Please take note of these lines and make sure you do not enter those areas. Please also listen to any health and safety advice which the exhibitors may give. When machines are in operation, they can produce swarf. Swarf is the thin shavings of metal or other materials cut or ground from a workpiece in a machine tool or grinder. Although it might look nice to touch, please do not touch swarf under any circumstances. The edges can be razor sharp. Metal sheets and cuttings can also have razor sharp edges. Please do not touch them under any circumstances, unless invited to do so by the exhibitor. The companies exhibiting at MACH work in all sorts of sectors, using many different types of technology. Feel free to ask questions and find out more. Your future career could be waiting for you at the show. If you are on the official tour, please ask your official tour guide about their personal work experience. Please take time to visit the Education and Development Zone at MACH. The zone is filled with exhibitors who have interactive activities for you to participate in, and you may also obtain some great career advice. We do have some emergency procedures for students and school groups to follow. If students aged 16 and under become separated from their tour guide, they must report back to a member of staff at the Education and Development Zone or report to NEC or MACH staff. For minor injuries, please go to the Hall 19 organiser's office. You will then be directed to the first aid room or assisted by one of our event first aiders. For first aid emergencies, NEC security, team floor managers and select MTA staff are all first aid trained. If you are involved in any first aid emergency, alert the organiser or venue as quickly as possible. Security staff are stationed in all the hall entranceways and they will know what to do. In the event of an alarm sounding for fire or any other emergency, please locate and make your way in a calm manner towards your nearest emergency exit using the signage on the hall walls. Please also listen to any announcements being made in the halls which will provide further information. Once outside, Please move away from the building and await further instruction from event staff. In addition to the E&D zone at MACH, the MTA also has a wide range of outreach activities suitable for students aged 11 and upwards. The Technology, Design and Innovation Challenge, otherwise known as the TDI Challenge, is suitable for design and technology and engineering students. All students need to do is submit their existing design and technology and/or engineering coursework project, so there is no extra work required. The students selected to go through to the finals will have the opportunity to pitch their project to a panel of industry judges. They will also get the opportunity to take an exclusive tour around a modern manufacturing plant. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact us or ask your teacher, parent or guardian if you have any questions before visiting this year's MACH exhibition.